Dear student, today I will discuss about area of triangle indeterminate. How we'll find area of triangle with the help of determinant. You know that area of triangle now explain with the help of diagram. Now draw a triangle like a vertices A, B and C. Coordinate of vertex A x1, y1 and B x2, y2 and C x3, y3. These are given point of a triangle. So now let vertices of triangle of point x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. So you learn in previous class given vertices of point. So now you know area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 x1 in bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y2 and plus x3 y1 minus y2 square unit. And in according to in this class, so area of triangle in determinant form. So 1 by 2 x1 x2 x3 and y1 y2 y3 1 1 1. So this is area of triangle 1 by 2 determinant x1 x2 x3 and y1 y2 y3 1 1 1. So area of unit so square units. So this is formula of area of triangle 1 by 2 element of determinant x1 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3 x1 x2 x3. So x1 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3. So y1 y2 y3 and 1 1 1. Now I will solve exercise 4.3. Question number first. Find area of the triangle with vertices at the point given in each of the following. Now first coordinate vertices of coordinate 1 0 and 6 0 4 3. So now x1 is equal to, so आंसर फर्स्ट पार्ट का 1 0 टेकन 6 0 and 4 3. So x1 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 6, y2 is equal to 0, x3 is equal to 4, y3 is equal to 3. So area of triangle 1 by 2 x1 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3 1 1 1. So now since 1 by 2 x1 1 x2 6 x3 4 y1 0 y2 0 y3 3 and 1 1 1. Now expand along row. Now expanding along R1 को लेकर के विस्तार करने पर सो नाउ 1 by 2 so 1 and this is 1 so row and column eliminate so rest subdeterminant 0 1 0 1 3 1. So taken minus 0. So this column and this row eliminate. Now 6 1 4 1 and plus taken 1 subdeterminant. So row and column eliminate. So 6 0 and 4 3. So 1 by 2 1 0 into 1 this is 0 and 3 into 1 minus 3 minus 0 6 into 1 6 and 4 into 1 4 and plus 1 6 into 3 18 4 into 0 0. So and 1 by 2 1 minus 3 and this is 0 and plus 1 into 18 and is equal to so is equal to 1 by 2 and minus 3 plus 18 minus 3 plus 18 is equal to 1 by 2 into 15 is equal to 15 upon 2 7.5 square unit or square unit. So now give first part given point 106043. So now write here and we find x1 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3. So formula of determinant area of triangle is equal to half determinant x1 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3 1 1 1. So now this point place here. So now makes 1 by 2 1 6 4 0 0 3 1 1 1. So 1 by 2 taken as. So now expanding along R1 we get. So this is 1. So we write 1 and row and column eliminated. Any row and column eliminated, subdeterminant 0 1 3 1. Now write here and take a negative plus minus. So minus 0 and so row and column eliminated, element is 6 1 4 1. This is here and plus 1 taken as, and row and column eliminated, subdeterminant 0 6 0 4 3. Now write here. So now calculate it. 1 0 into 1, this is 0 and minus taken, middle part minus 0 into 1 0 and 3 into 1 3 and minus 0. 6 into 1, this is 6 and 4 into 1, this is 4 taken minus, and plus 1. 6 into 3 18, 4 into 0, this is 0. So now calculate 1 0 minus 3 minus 3 and minus 0 multiply by this get 0, and also 1 and 18 minus 0, this is 18. So now also calculate 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 18. So 1 by 2 18 minus 3 15, 15 upon 2, this is area of triangle 15 upon 2 square unit. This is 7.5 square unit. Second part, given point x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 7, x2 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to 1, x3 is equal to 10, y3 is equal to 8. So area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2, x1 x2 x3, y1 y2 y3 and 1 1 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Now place x1 2 x2 1 x3 10, x1 2 x2 1 and x3 10, y1 7 1 8 1 1 1. So now expanding along R1. So now expanding along R1 we get. So now 1 by 2. So now 1 by 2. So now taking 2. So row and column eliminate. So rest determinant 1 1 8 1 and minus taken and plus minus plus. So minus 7 and row and column eliminate. So 1 1 10 1 1 1 10 1 and plus 1. So 1, this is row 1 present in first row and third column. So this is eliminate 1 1 1 1 10 8. So now area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 2 1 into 1, oh, this is 1, 8 into 1 minus 8, also negative minus 7, and 1 into 1 and 1 into 10, this is 10, and plus 1 and 8 minus 10. So 1 into 8, 8, 10 into 1, 10. So now calculate is 2 into 1 minus 8 minus 7, and minus 7 minus 7, 1 into, this is minus 9, and plus 8 in minus 10 minus 2. So 1 by 2 minus 14 and plus 63 and minus 2. So 1 by 2, this is 14, minus 14 minus 16 and plus 63. So 1 by 2, so 63 minus 16. So 1 by 2, 13 minus 6, 7, and 5 minus 1, 4. So 47 upon 2 square unit. So area of triangle 47 upon 2 square unit. Question number 2, show the point point A comma B plus C, point B C plus A, and C A plus B. So are collinear. If solution of this question, if given point are collinear, then delta is equal to 0. Delta area is equal to 0. So point A is equal to A comma B plus C, B point B comma C plus A, and C point C comma A plus B. This is x1, y1, x2, y3, x3, y3. So now area, this is area is equal to 0. So 1 by, so area is equal to 1 by 2 x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. So now 1 by 2, x1 for A, B, C, B plus C, and C plus A, and A plus B, y1, y2, y3. So y1, y2, y3 right here, and 1, 1, 1. Now expanding along R1. So this is R1. So we get 1 by 2. So A subdeterminant, so row and column cancel out. So C plus A 1, a plus b, this is 1, minus b plus c, so cancel out b 1 and c 1, and plus, so 1 taken, this and this cancel out, b c plus a and c a plus b. Now expand, so calculate it, a c plus a multiply by 1 get c plus a minus a plus b and minus b plus c, under bracket b minus c, so plus 1 b a plus b and minus c and c plus a, c plus a, plus b, this is 1, and b into a plus b minus and c plus a, so this is now calculate it, get 1 by 2 a c plus a minus b and minus b plus c and b minus c and plus 1, so a b and plus b square minus c square minus ac b is b into a b into plus b square minus c into c square minus c a. So now solve it, 1 by 2 a, so a cancel out, c minus b minus, so this and this, b plus a b minus a identity use, so b square minus c square and plus ab plus b square minus c square minus ac, so also 1 by 2 ac minus ab minus b square plus c square plus ab plus b square minus c square minus ac, so ac cancel out, c cancel out, b this and this, so 1 by 2 equal to 0, this is 0, delta is equal to 0, triangle, area of triangle is equal to 0, therefore a comma b c are given point co-linear. So revise it. That's all. Thank you.